How to build a restaurant website in GoDaddy Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create your own restaurant website using the website creator and builder, which is well known in these couple last months. And it is very easy and very simple. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end, and you are going to be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over godaddy.com. Then you're going to face up here the landing page or the welcome page. So we are going to select from the header right there menu. We're going to select the second element, which is websites and hosting. So we are going to click on it. And here we have websites, hosting, tools for web professionals, and etc. So our field today is going to be here the website builder. We're going to get a free trial on it, of course. So you need simply to sign up with an account on the platform, and then you are going to be very ready for it. So you are going to get an account like me, like this, and then you are going to access the account by clicking on my products. And here you are going to face up the dashboard. So if you have already some websites, you will find them like those, or these two are my previous websites. If you don't have a website, you are going to see here an empty page that will demand from you to create a website. So we are going to click on set up a free website from here, and then we're going simply to start creating our website. So right there, what features does or your website needs. So you are going to set it up. Since it is a restaurant, we need only to book appointments, or we can also go ahead and sell something. But here, I'm going to set a book appointment online. So you are going to click on continue. So what kind of appointment do you book? So we are going to set up here restaurant like this. You can go ahead and choose if it is a specialty restaurant like Mexican restaurant, Vietnamese restaurant, and fish and chips restaurant, but I will let it here broad, choosing just restaurant. We're going to click on continue. What should we call your website? So you are going basically to set up here your restaurant name. For example, here, so let's say Jack is the chef, for example, like that. So we are going to click on continue, and then you are going to tell the uh, GoDaddy Arrow, which is the AI chatbot, that you are going to make your here a simple description. So you are going to use it, or you can go ahead and skip this step. So I will skip it, and then it will build the here website architecture. So it will be normally here setting up our website, and here we are going to select or pre-select the sections that are going to be here applied to our website. So we have the about. As you can see here, we have the theme or the generated website is based on the chef or the as you can see here, restaurant themes. So we have the about section, we have the photo gallery, we have the online appointment, which is very necessary here, the menu and the price list, which is also going to be here a must for a restaurant, contact us for a reservation or a private let's say here a meeting, and here we have the social media, which is going to be here setting up. And if you have, so I'm going to add the reservations, reserve a table. And if you have some reviews already going on the internet, you're going simply to set them, because this is very uh, going to be a very high step for your restaurant to stand up. So when you finish all of this, you're going to click continue to my site. After that, you're going to see this setting up. I don't want to take a tour, but I am going to see here all the elements on the restaurant. Here we have a very good banner. Here we have also the reservation, as you can see, section. So we have the this section which is going to be talking about a restaurant. Here we have some AI generated content, as you can see, that has been generated with the GoDaddy IRO. So here we have a picture. For example, here you can go ahead and set up a picture of the day, or let's say here maybe some picture galleries or pictures from your latest creations or latest meals. I don't want to lie, but this is very interesting by seeing those images. It is a pleasure. So here we have the online appointment. So we are going to add the services. For example, you're going to click on add service, and that service is going to be named, the duration of it, the price, the payment accessibility are there, and also the service location. So it would be a business location since it is a restaurant. So for that, you're going to take advantage of the online appointment to, for example, set up here a reservation, but more specified reservation. So, for example, a VIP reservation, or let's say here that you're going to set up here an appointment for a meeting and etc. You can go ahead and use it, or you can go ahead and let it. Or also, you can go ahead and delete this case if you are not interested in adding the services. So, this also could be here for the uh, put in an appointment for, let's say here, a private chef that you are going to here rent for a party or something like that. You're going to need that for it, so you are going to set up the duration or let them like that. So here we have the menu. You're going to add the menu or the different set of the menus. Here, for example, first item, here we have the price. Everything is set and ready. So everything here on the sections that has been added, it is thought about. So you are going to see here the different sections. You can add some categories. Here we can have the entries, or you can have some salads. Here we have the main meals or main dishes, and etc. So here we have the review section. So you need to connect your Facebook account to get a review of your page. Also, you can highlight some here comments or some reviews that has been connected to your Facebook. Here we have the choice to reserve a table and etc. So here we have the contact us, and everything is going to be set. Now these are the working hours, and here we have, as you can see, the working days and also etc. Here we have the socials, so you are going to select any or so here or you can go ahead and select any one of these socials, so you are going to see them here. Facebook, X at the right side of the screen. You can go ahead and link them, so they will be not transparent anymore but highlighted. That means that are clickable, and each one of the sections could be here modified either by clicking or modifying on the main page, or you are going to click on it and head over the right side, so you are going to get the permission to modify it. So right there, we are going to set up here maybe the Sunday or the Saturday. So Saturday or Sunday, like that, is going to be here by appointment, like that. Click on done, and here we have made a regulation right there. So for the as you can see here, the visit us, you can go ahead and select, for example, a contact form. Here a layout, you can change the layout of it. For example, here we have this one, we have that one. This one with the map is going on is going to be awesome for here for your location. And here we have it. This is how we can create a website restaurant. If you want to add a page to that, for example, for naming the chefs and also highlight their work, you're going to click on the site navigation at the right side here of the screen, click on add page, then you are going to add a new page. Unfortunately, I cannot add a page here because I am on the basic or the free trial period. So if I want or you want to add that, you are going to upgrade your plan and put it here. You can also link to external websites, for example, for recipes. You can go ahead and create some blogs right there. Also, I highly recommend for you to create a blog that is going to be here, something that the visitors will get some attention, or they will get something to read about. I don't know. So you are going to create a blog. So we are going to add the section of the blog. For example, I'm going here to click on the page, and I'm going to add a section, and that section is going to be here blog. So you're going to see here a lot of that. We have the reservation address. So for this, you can go ahead and search for blog, and here we have it. This is the blog, so you can go ahead and add my blog like this, or any one of the sections right there. And as you can see, it is going to be here. So you can go ahead and start writing your posts. It will take you to the dashboard to set up here the blogs from the beginning to the end. So you're going to create a new post by setting whatever you want. Here we have the title, we have the text, and also you can add some images, you can add some featured image, category, and set up a publish date or etc. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.